Welcome back to Autoscope. For recreational vehicles or Vs, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Actros Motorhome STX is the pinnacle of luxury. It is designed for those who want to travel in the highest level of luxury and comfort. Below is a detailed description of the features offered, key characteristics, unalterable. Luxuriance. Every element is designed to provide the highest level of comfort and functionality. From high-end materials to state-of-the-art technologies, the spacious interior and flexible layout allow owners to tailor the space to their needs. Technological innovation. The fully computerized cockpit offers navigation, entertainment, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. The infotainment system's functionality for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto makes integrating smartphones simple. The top-tier surround sound system provides an amazing auditory experience, 360 video, automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keeping assistance are examples of advanced safety technologies. Usability and comfort. A king-size bed with an opulent memory foam mattress for a restful night's sleep. The in-suite bathroom has a rain shower, chic fixtures, and a smart toilet with auto-clean capabilities. A multi-zone climate control system allows visitors to adjust the temperature in different areas. Smart home technology integrates everything from lighting and security to entertainment and climate management via a touchscreen panel or smartphone app. Extras and external features: an extendable awning with LED lighting, an external entertainment system, and an integrated outdoor kitchen with a sink and grill. A spacious back garage that can accommodate a fancy sports car, motorcycle, or outdoor equipment. A hydraulic leveling system makes it simple to set up for camping. Solar panels enable the use of sustainable energy. A central vacuum system facilitates easy cleaning. In conclusion, the Mercedes-Benz Actros Motorhome STX 2026 is a sophisticated combination of state-of-the-art technology, lavish elegance, and practical comforts.